Croatia's fairly recent inclusion into the European Union has paved the way for its increasing share in the Union's allocation of funds to finance each member country's development and economic growth. And Croatia's growing economy is opening doors for skilled migrant labor to fuel its surging industries, as evidenced by 435 job vacancies extended to Filipino workers alone that our Vien Manalo enumerates in this report.
Do you dream of working in the country dubbed as a land of 1,000 islands? This is the country of Croatia, which is located between the eastern and western parts of Europe and serves as a bridge between the Central Europe and the Mediterranean. Well, good news, because the Croatian government will open more than 400 jobs for Filipinos under the government-to-government hiring program or G2G arrangement. Some of the job openings are from the hospitality and food service sectors, including room attendants, waiters, and cooks, offering more than 1,000 euros or the equivalent of a more than 60,000 peso salary per month, depending on the position. For those who want to apply, he or she must be a Filipino citizen, 18 years old and above, has completed at least 10 years of education, has attested the NC2 certification that is appropriate to the job you are applying for, physically and mentally fit to work abroad. English proficiency is required, but the good news is that having work experience is not mandatory. Documents that must be submitted, such as NBI, PSA-issued birth certificate, and passport with 1-year validity, can also be found on the DMW website. Applicants must first register online at the DMW portal for an appointment. DMW will also not accept documents sent through courier service. Only those with complete documents will be processed. The deadline for submission of applications is tomorrow, September 24, while the interview for pre-qualified applicants is scheduled for October 15 at the DMW Central Office in Mandaluyong. The list of pre-qualified applicants can be viewed at the DMW's social media page. So 54-year-old and former OFW Raimundo Molina did not miss the opportunity to apply when he found out that there is job hiring in Croatia. He worked for 4 years in the Czech Republic and Romania as a cook in a restaurant and earns as much as 80,000 pesos a month. Aside from the strong possibility of being able to bring his family there are also a lot of opportunities there, he said. He is now applying again as a cook.
Magandang bansa yun eh. Madaling opportunity. Maraming seasonal siya. Kumbaga, short term lang yung uwi-uwi ka sa Pilipinas. Maganda opportunity sa Europe. Saka doon, 8 hours lang ang trabaho. Tapos 5 days. Isipin mo, dito 6 days ka magtatrabaho.
From Las Piñas, he went to the DMW Central Office in Mandaluyong today with his requirements to be submitted personally.
Yun nga, mahirap mag-apply kasi yung sa internet, medyo hindi ako biyasa ba. Hindi ako makapag-sit ng appointment. Baka puno na. Kaya andito ako sana magpasa ng requirements. Kung pwede nila ako isingit sa first spot kasi kompleto naman yung requirements ko. Sayang naman yung pagod ko dito ngayon.
Meanwhile, the authorities are still strictly reminding our citizens to avoid illegal recruiters and human traffickers.
Napakadami po na nangloloko sa ating mga kababayan at nag-o-offer na pumunta ng Croatia at daang-daang libo ang nire-request. Ako na ho nakikiusap sa inyo, ito po ay bawal, illegal recruitment po ito, dahil nung kinausap namin ang Croatia at Slovenia, sila po ang nagsabi, hindi dapat magbayad ang Pilipino ang pupunta ng Croatia.
Bien Manalo from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.